just for you. Oh Lord, they cannot see, they do not know the truth. Oh Lord, open their eyes, let them see you, let them feel you, let them hear you, 'cause you are here, oh Lord, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace, Prince of Peace, wonderful Counselor, 'cause you are here, oh Lord, everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace, Prince of Peace, wonderful Counselor. ירושלים בחלקה לך אדון, אם לא רואים קדושת שכינתך אדון, קח עיניהם שיראו אותך, שישמעו אותך, שילכו בדרכך, כי אתה כאן.
Okay, the people on the front of the boat, can you hear me? You know, on this boat, we always walk by faith and not by sight. But at this time, we really need to see what's going on in front of us. So please step down from the bow of the boat. Thank you very much.
Hey!